If you need more traffic, let's talk about 100% clicks. And we're starting right now. Hey, I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. So, we're going to be talking about 100% clicks. It is a new safe list that just came out by Frank Salinas, and we're going to get all into the video, all right? But before we get into this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing and hit that bell notification for all affiliate marketing work from home tips. All right, subscribe, do not be shy. I have plenty of helpful videos to help you make more money. So this is a new safe list that just came out. Frank Salinas has been online for many years and he knows what he's doing. So you can click on the first link to get to this page right here, and what you're going to do is just scroll down to the bottom and create a new account. I already have an account, so let me log in. And what do you know? One of my login banners right here. Talk about perfect timing, right? So let's log in. I strongly consider taking one of these upgrades if you can afford it, because I'm going to show you the traffic that I've been getting as a new member. Alright, so as you see, I am a platinum member, right? And this is a very new safe list. You get banners, you get text ads up here, and he has some other recommended stuff down here. And it even has a way for you to earn 100% commissions on the very first purchases that your referrals make. Pretty cool, guys, pretty cool. So as I go into setup ads, you'll see I'm getting displays and clicks. All right. This is a very new, so visitors are here clicking on stuff rapidly. And usually when I'm in other safe lists, I don't see people clicking on these text links. My text links are actually being clicked on, which lets you know that there's some high quality traffic and people are interested in the stuff that you could be advertising, right? Whatever you're advertising, whether it's MLM, affiliate marketing, network marketing, softwares, you want to join this safe list because eyes and attention and traffic is right here. You're definitely going to get some traffic. All right, so as you can see, I'm getting a lot of clicks on my banners. This is the login ad you just saw, and I even got some solo ads. All right, so if you're looking for some traffic that actually works, right? Frank Salinas knows what he's doing. This is a new traffic site, so there's a lot of attention, a lot of buzz on this site right now. Click the link in the bottom of the description, sign up as a free member, consider upgrading if it makes sense for you. I am a platinum member. It made sense for me because I like traffic, right? And without traffic, you're not getting any chance to get any leads or any sales, right? So that's all I got for you in this video. I highly recommend checking it out. Click the link in the description, sign up with your free account, and stick around for this next video. I think you will find this very next video very helpful as well in your endeavor to making more money and getting more traffic online. Other than that, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.